before I release this, this is what you need for the blind. But most of the time you don't need this, but this is just to tidy it up. Now this window is a big window, it's very long. Okay, so I'm going to explain that section there. As you can see, the mechanism inside. But as we go closer into it, right, I'm going to show you it. There is a ball inside there. You see that gear inside? There, that's a gear. So you've got to look to see. That is what helped to control. So when you pull the string this way, all the strings, it will release. So my blind now is being released and it's coming down. And then when you release it, see it's still coming down. When you release it, then you take and pull the string this way to lock it. See, now I have let it go and the blinds have dropped down to a certain, this is a massive window. So that's what it is. If that ball is missing, and I don't see how it should be, you're going to have to take the blinds down. So now I'm going to pull it back this way. I'm over exaggerating, pulling it, release it to pull the blind back up, and then I'm going to put the string this way to lock it. And it's as simple as that. I've let it go and it has released it. And by the way, that is a Venetian blind, not Roman, Venetian. And if it is serious, then you're going to have to take the blind down and fix it from, take off this and then fix it from the top. In case, now if you look at my one, you will see there are 6 strings and each of them are separated and controlled. Now what happened, which is a common thing, is that it constantly gets tangled up, constantly. So each time you pull it up and down, you've got to make sure the 3 strings that you have are not twisted. Otherwise, it will get twisted somewhere along the way in the mechanism. Okay? So that is your problem. You're going to have to take it down and fix